Okay, chat. Let's go to PE one time, chat. Let's go to PE, chat. 041 eGqebs. Postal code unansik 041 yaseGqeberha, chat. 041 eGqebs. 041 eGqebs. Didn't I check this already? Didn't I? 041 eGqebs. Yes, a PE. Postal code, chat. Let's go. Uyiqale kamnandi pop anungxoka. Po uzuyibhude into sayixabana. Ngena boy, uzuyibhude. Intombazane icula kwenza ngantoni apha? Ay, do that song, that song. Kawuflowe, ndiyacela. The beat is doing you the great work. Kawuflowe, Joe. Kawuyenze. Khayeke mani. Khayeke. Whoa. Kayeke mani. Kayeke. Yo. Fuck. Intombazane le kwenza ngantoni? Umfana lo kwenza ngantoni? So asawuna njengo K-Kid futhi at the same time. Khayeke. But jazz. Buliwe. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Asam. Alright. Okay. Sure. Asam. Basiwe izigo. 041 eGqebs. Bawize izigo. Shikile izinto. Nasike isipho. You should have flowed, dog. Basiwe izigo. Nasike izinto. Nasike isipho. Thina siyayithatha lento sisusa ke ngeGqwitsho. Flow jam. Yo, the beat was amazing, bro. The beat was super amazing. Check this beat, boy. Okay, ntombazane. Ntombi, thatha le beat uyobhala. Get niggas who gonna flow on this shit. Yenza remix for no reason. Dokunikile flow already. Yenza remix for no. Khayeke. Thatha memajito wafake up. Boo. Shout out to the producer one time. You stole the spotlight, but Mr. Mike Selector, you stole for me the show on this one. Damn! Shout out to you all for on eGqebs. One time. I fuck with this.